I will cook fruits. I will cook fruits. I will cook fruits. I have this. And also I got this. Wow. And a cap for the rice. But anyways, I'm not gonna use it for the rice because I don't have any rice. Ooh, egg. Da 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 da. Some fruits. Also, it has fruits too. It has some hot dogs. These are potatoes and lemons, 2 lemons each. And also I have a knife. How to say it? I'll just call it knife. Ducky. This is on and this is off. Anyways, I mean this is off and this is on. You can't see it because it's white. Some fruits. Pepper. I thought it was ketchup. Ducky. Ooh, star. It's a D. Ducky. Oh! It's D because it's ducky. Or duck. Can you just read it? I don't know how to read. Cap. Not this cap. Not this cap.
Ito na ang tricky part. Kailangan tama makuha nila. Kung hindi, nanalo ang girls. MJ, okay, kung bata o minor, kung hindi dapat sila magbilhan ng ano.
Some chopsticks. Ta-da!
Pornographic material. Pornographic material. Kung bata o minor, hindi dapat sila magbilhan ng ano. Pornographic material. Pornographic material. Kung tama po sila, obviously para sa pero kung mali, makukuha nyo ang score na ito. We'll see. Survey says pornographic material. Jake, pakibasa naman number 3. Tulungan mo naman ako. Ano ba ito? Number 3. And finally, number 4.
So, I need to cut, not this paper. I need to cut this, I need to cut watermelon and kiwi and star fruit.
Me and Julia. Julia and CJ. Bumubuo sila ng kanilang mega. Ibibigay na natin ang huling tanong sa guess who ito. Pwede kayo manalo ng 20,000 pesos sa sagutin nyo lang ang tanong na ito. Sa anong araw na madalas na tutulog ng late? A. Sa Sabado ba yan?
So, 开始拜拜啦！小听课喽，欢迎下次的朋友，开始拜拜啦！欢迎下次使用的朋友，开始拜拜啦！小听课喽。Okay, so I'll put this here and look. I need to take this off, put it in there, put it in here because I want to show you something. So it goes up, 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 up.
chance to win cash.
Mas matipid ko yan.
Laser. Enough about that. So I put it here. And I 5 to. Oh right, this is 2 for just 2. I mean 4.
现在开始煮烧，现在开始烧水。
Girl, boy, boy, girl. I like it. His name is Francis. I mean,
欢迎下次使用。
it turned off by itself. I mean, so just kidding. Anyways, and I will step number? I mean stepmother? Step. No, don't cook this. Stepmother? Marry a stranger?
Blue birthday.
Blue birthday. What?
Marriage revenge. My Sherry Amore. Missing crown prince. Lighter and princess.
I mean,
Flower.
anyways, I get not to cut this. Where's the knife? Oh, here. I call it knife. Where's Ate? I hear Ate laugh. And then the last one is grapes. No more fruits. Something is lost apple. We just see at the families, but my Lola didn't see the lost dog. But Mommy and me and Ate and Daddy see the lost dog. My toy lost apple. I'll cut. I'll just show you. I love to count. I love to count. I forgot.
And also, thank you sa lahat ng sumasupporta throughout my journey.
I love to count. I love to count.
Sa kanilang ipon, sa kanilang kingdom, ay ang total cash prize is 2. At yun ay ang
Count.
Teach peace, build peace, group member.
I forgot the song.
waiting area. Let's do fast money.
That's all not right. That's not right.
Hindi masasabing tinolang manok ang minuto mo.
Sorry, I'm not playing at the kitchen.
Sayote.
Sayang na nagdadala ka
I
ng...
need that.
Kung magpapatato ka, ano yung pangalan ng ipapatato mo?
Julia.
Ducky is hungry, I know.
Singer ang gusto mong kumanta sa kasal mo?
So the fruits
Karaniwan
here,
naman ang backpack.
I don't have any plates, but
So, hindi ka masasabing tinola ang niluto kung wala. Sayote. Ang sabi ng survey, sayote ay...
wow! Oh, can you just roll like wee, 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 like wee, 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 wee. Showy, I mean sorry, because it's too late you will see it, but it's okay. If you cook, but just a toy, you can see it. But you just sometimes. I mean, not sometimes.
Let's welcome back CJ.
Wow!
Hi CJ. How are you doing? Is that great?
Yes, kinakabahan ng konti.
Maraming taga-Zambales ang nanonood sa atin
I
ngayon.
know.
Gusto mo silang baliin?
Of course, sa lahat po ng Sambaleños. Hello po sa inyong mga...
I am gonna eat. Ducky's gonna eat. Ducky's so hungry, I know. I know you're hungry so much, Ducky. I will cook something for you. Fruit still.
Hindi lang 20 more. That's it.
Okay.
Simple lang. Kaya. At gusto ko makikita na ng viewers ang sagot ni Julian.
Did I just use this?
Hindi mo sasabing
Just pretend I just used it.
Kumukulang kung wala itong black.
Sayote.
If I use it, it's okay. But if I don't, just pretend.
Nag-iiba ang itsura ng...
Anyways,
Kapag magpapatato ka, kaninong pangalan ng ipapatato? Sinong Pinay singer ang gusto mo kumanta sa kasal mo?
alright. I mean, oh yeah, not alright.
可以拜拜了，小心看哦。
Let's go, CJ. We need 120 points.
200
Hindi mo
na.
sasabing tinolang manok ang niluto mo.
Now it's 2.
Kung wala itong sahog ng
Last time I just used 4, now I use 2. What do you mean last time? I mean, it was, I just used 4 and then I used 2. Okay. Yeah. Anyways,
Pwede yan ang top answer natin yung series na sa top answer. So, kung magpapatato ka, kaninong pangalan sa iyong tatay? Sabi ng survey, ng iyong
I was just joking. Anyways,
现在开始煮饭。 现在开始炒菜。现在开始烧水。现在开始火锅。
now I will use this one as many. I mean, we didn't have hot dogs. Don't go away. That's so much Mommy.
欢迎下次使用。
That's mommy.
Mami ko yan. Ay.
No taste now. Just kidding. This is too yummy, but now there's no have taste, but not too much yummy. Hey, I just watched that.
Ang pagtakbo sa eleksyon 2028. Trust and
And then-
performance rating ng vice bumaba sa pinakamababang rating mula mula December 2023, base sa
You
survey
need
ng
to
Okta
cut.
Research.
Mashed potato.
Sa iba ng bahay ng bansa.
Wait, I like mashed potato too. Maybe.
Inaasahan babagsak sa 9 degrees Celsius sa Pebrero. OFW na nakawi sa Kuwait, inuwi na sa Pilipinas. Naku, ibang bangkay ang dumating.
Pero means what? Wait.
Enjoy
ganon?
mini vacation sa Dubai. Dingdong Dantes at Maria
Iba
Rivera
ang binalik.
sa throwback pa sa kanilang prenup photos.
Ano nangyari?
Sa disyerto.
Just kidding. I mean, I forgot. I thought it was mix, but it was like this. Mashed potato. I was just gonna say that. Anyways, what's this?
Unang nakita ang kanyang mga labi noong March 2022 na nag-update ang mukha at tagtad ng sugat.
Ang itinuturong suspect na huli
Wait,
sa makailan
what are you doing there, Ducky?
kaso ng kidnap o ransom.
You need to come here.
Sumama pa sa mga pulis sa pagturo kung saan
Are you eating?
itinapon ang bangkay. Narito
Yum,
ang
yum,
pagturo.
yum, you're eating.
Balot ng duct tape ang bahagi ng mukha. Nakagapos ang mga braso at kamay. May nakapulupot din.
Okay, you don't want this, so I'm gonna eat it.
Tagtag na mga sugat ang iba't ibang bahagi ng katawan. Ganito, 2022. Mahigit 2 taon ang lumipas. Nagkaroon ng
One
hindi
tooth
na
is shaking
ito.
and another one is not. Wait. I mean-
Pinuntahan kanina sa punerarya ng mga pulis ang bangkay.
Ma-
Kasama ang kaanak nito.
Bruh, it's food. Mashed potato. Bruh, mashed potato.
Kinilala ng kanyang mga magulang na si Noel Gonzaga, 29 anyos.
Bro.
Ang tinuturo nilang suspect,
Anyways.
si alias Tony, na napanood daw nila sa telebisyon kamakailan nananakit dahil sa hiwalay na kaso ng kidnap or ransom.
Siya po.
Okay.
Nag-confess naman siya voluntarily
Mhm.
na siya ang pumatay sa anak ko.
Kasama ang suspect,
Anyways.
itinulong sa QCPD kung saan lugar sa Caloocan nila
You want again?
ang
Nom, nom,
pagkain
nom,
ng
nom,
biktima.
nom.
Pinatay kuya ko. Turaw sa halamanan sa harapan ng isang bahay.
Anyways, here, Ducky.
Tatakbo na po. Tatakbo talaga.
Sa investigasyon ng QCPD,
Sorry, Ducky.
Binigyan ng pera worth 200,000. Kasi nalaman ng mga suspect na kaibigan niya, schoolmate, may kaya tsaka po yung
Sorry, Ducky.
pumunta pa sa nanay, humingi ng 200,000.
Naniniwala naman ang magulang ng biktima na may kasabwat pa ang suspect.
I'm hungry too. I'm hungry too. Yum, yum, yum. Give me some food. I like hot dogs actually. Anyways.
Ayon sa
Yum, yum,
QCPD, si alias Tony na suspect sa kasong ito ay kasama ng grupo
Yum,
ng
yum,
isang
yum,
dako
yum,
ng
yum, 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 yum,
sa
yum.
pagtukod at
Yum, yum, yum,
pagpapaliti sa
yum,
isang
yum,
konsyente.
Sinalin po yung mga involved sa pagpatay doon sa businessman.
Iniugnay nito
Ducky, you
sa
don't have
pagpatay
any
sa kanyang kapatid na si
you don't have any drink. I will
Businessman. Sa NBI,
make it a drink, some tea.
PSA, para malaman natin yung pagkakilanlan, pagkapatuloy natin, supplement tayo sa
Can I
fiskalya.
drink one?
Pwede rin natin sa kasuhan ng, yun nga po, yung pagkatay ng pangalan.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, Emilio Sumagi, nakatutok 24 oras.
Nanawagan na ang Pilipinas at China. Kahit hindi,